Hello guys, and today I got this. It's a Looney Tunes unboxing and number 1, and probably the only one. It's Looney Tunes Center Stage Volume 2. There's Sylvester holding Tweety, Porky Pig, Foghorn Leghorn, Tasmanian Devil, Speedy Gonzalo, or something like that, and Daffy Duck. And I'll show you the episodes later. And there he is. His name is Dan, and look how squishy he is. Anyways, yeah, let me tell you the episodes. So there's Canary Row, Bunker Hill Bunny, Kip for Cat, Putty Tat Trouble, Bugs and Thugs, Can Feud, Lumberjacks, Speedy Gonzales, Tweety SOS, Foghorn Leghorn, Daffy Duck Hunt, Early to Bed, Broken Leghorn, and Devil May Hare. So yeah, now let's open this up. I got it from Amazon. And yeah, it's a Valentine's Day present. So yeah, pretty cool. Because I wanted this. Sometimes you want stuff, and you get it. I mean, that gave me some, and then I could buy something other than this. And yeah, now let's open it up to see what's inside, and hope the right thing's inside. Oh yeah, Center Stage Volume 2 with Daffy Duck on the front, and yeah, pretty cool DVD. I need to watch this and drink my free 7-Eleven Slurpee. That's cool. Oh my god! Alright, and yeah. Bye, happy Valentine's Day!